This 2025 Winnebago Forza 34T is a Class A RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 8, LP detector, auxiliary battery, oven, air conditioning, microwave, external shower, stovetop burner, skylight, awning, water heater, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front entertainment, front kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Forza 34T is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.